except the toilet store. And I'm fucking dirty Tyrannosaurus Rex, mate.
But it's fireworks.
Sparks are flying, girls. There's some nice fireworks there, bro. It's fucking all with touching fireworks, you know what I mean? Just quietly between you and me, these fireworks, mate, they're fucking gnarly, eh? Like, fuck, I would rape the fireworks like that, eh? Like, I would just actually have a soundtrack on my cell phone when I'm like giving the old fucking Team Midi a fucking go away, or fucking QA, or like they walk away. Fuck, booze, they're raising those onions. Oh, I told you I'm a bad Tyrannosaurus Rex, man. I'm like pretty hood, and like, I think I'm turning Mexican, man, because I don't want a cartel to find out about these things, because I don't want them to know that I'm in with you on your side. And I mean, Estefan was like, yeah, man, he's cool. And I was like, is he actually cool? And you were like, I don't know, man. And I was like, I don't know either, man. And he was like, I'm going to cut you. And I was like, well, why you threatening to cut a nigga? What in your goddamn mind possess you to think that you can talk to a Tyranno motherfucking Saurus? My nigga, I says, my nigga, I'm a nigga Tyrannosaurus nigga Rex, my nigga, and I'm a fucking DJ from the bones, man. I know what to pop that needle, know what I mean, drop that bass. Just drop that bass, man. Because we're getting a little hot up in here about the drug that we had tonight. I'm a T-Rex and I sure had a hell of a fight. And I think we all can agree, whether it's 2 or 103, there ain't no minimum number of DUIs. Thank you very much, man.
It's facial expressions.
I'm a David character, man. I don't even notice, but when I get to masturbate all that often, someone just kneeling on all fours in front of me so I can just like, excuse me, I'm trying to rub any of that on, just slide it on in there, eh? Spit on it, eh? Stick it in there, right up in your gussy. Gateway to a guts, eh? Right up the old fucking love canal, up to the old fucking baby egg creek, you know what I mean? You and me makes a tomato sauce, baby. Over the tomatoes, you be the fucking nitric acid. And the aspartame, mate. I don't know what else to say, man. There's the politics of like, who do